Now guys, in this video I will show you how to record the video calls or calls, your sales calls and so on. You want just when you are on phone calls that you want to record the video. All what you need to go, which is go to Play Store or you go to App Store, then press or just type call recorder Cube S here. Then after installation, you'll just open it. Then go next. Then grant permission for everything while using this app. Allow that you can manage everything. Okay, allow. No thanks. You can enable it later via. You don't need to just have in the location and so on. So why? Because it can you having call and you want to record audio, and then it will just save as it is location where you got that call recording and so on. Okay, got it. Then guys, in this one you don't need to have a premium one or so on. You can just getting the free trial if you want to get it and so on. So you will just continue or just skip it. So I will skip it here, skip, and then here you can just ignore. And then guys, here we will have an automate video sales calls here in this dashboard. So you have calls or something, you will find it here guys, in this one, in this dashboard. I hope you like the video. I hope it is easy for you guys. Just download the application and record your calls. Please, this video is just for educational purposes. So like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.